Today we'll be making Stranger Things cupcakes Tsum Tsums style. Hey guys, it's Dan and welcome back to Doki Cakes. You guys know that I'm a huge lover of Tsum Tsums and I am currently obsessed with Stranger Things. So I decided to combine these two and create Stranger Things cupcakes Zumbified. Not only are they extremely cute, they are quick, easy, and so fun to decorate. Alright then, let's get started. Okay guys, so here's a template that I created and I will leave all the information in the description box below. And we will be making Dustin. I cut off the hair part of the template and carefully cut the shape with brown fondant. I pre-cut his cap and brushed some water to attach this piece. For his cap details, you will use edible paint in red and blue. Follow the template to create the eyes, nose, cheeks, his adorable smile, and eyebrows. You will do the exact same thing for all the characters, just following the template, and once you're done cutting all the pieces, it's time to decorate. Use rose piping tip 1A and with a little bit of pressure, pipe a dollop of buttercream. Add the fondant pieces, starting with his hair, then his face, and here's Dustin. And now repeat the same steps with 11, Lucas, Max, Will, and Mike. And voila, we're done with the Stranger Things Tsum Tsum cupcake, guys. Oh my gosh, I love these so very much. I think they turned out so cute. I don't know which one to choose to be my favorite. It's between Will and also 11. Which one was your favorite? Leave them in the comments below. I would love to know which one's your favorite. I would like to give a shout out to Edie's who created this amazing cactus cake. She got inspired by my kawaii cactus cake. I'll leave the video right here in the eye. And she made this cake for her baby shower. And let me just say it turned out amazing. It is. Great job. Want to shout out on my next video. Just don't forget to share creations with the hashtag Doki Cakes on my Instagram. Love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye bye.